Yeah, I just noticed this part here. They made it very nice. They have some models of old planes. Good afternoon. We are here at Don Mueang Airport, and I just noticed that they made a lot of upgrades here, and they renovated a big part. There's a lot more shops, so I was thinking, why not do a walk through Don Mueang? And we are at gate 55, which is at the end of this walk, so I just decided to come back here and give you guys an update. This shopping area was already here. So this is the duty-free area, but I just noticed that there is a lot more restaurants now. And also in the pier where we are, there is an exhibition about Don Mueang Airport. I always like to take these walkways. Saves you a lot of time. It's almost like biking this one, right? Coffee club, subway.
End of the walk.
I guess they are in cahoots with the minor group as well. Yeah, at Suvarnabhumi you always had a lot more shops and restaurants, but Don Mueang was always falling behind a little bit. So this is one pier, you could say, and this is the kind of piers that I remember. Let me show you the one where we are. So here you have the Dream Journey, and this is basically an exhibition about the history of Don Mueang Airport. Unfortunately, all the information here is in Thai. Thailand's first flight.
Now invite you to get number 56.
So that plane in the back there, that's the one that we are going to take.
ผู้โดยสารในโซนที่ 3 คือผู้โดยสารที่นั่งได้แถวที่ 6 ถึง 19 ในเที่ยวบินที่ FD 3350 ซึ่งก่อนเดินทางไปอุดรธานีขอเรียนเชิญผู้โดยสารในตอนนี้เครื่องได้รับประตูทางออกหมายเลข 53
I don't know if this is a temporary exhibition or permanent.
For Asia flight FD 3.
Yeah, so Don Mueang used to be the main international airport until Suvarnabhumi opened. And recently they opened the red SRT line, which gives you the opportunity to come here with the train, which is a big upgrade. And Don Mueang is mainly used by Nok Air that you see here, Air Asia and Thai Lion Air. Here you have the Coral Executive Lounge. And And then here the Miracle Lounge. Don Mueang Airport opened in 1914. In 2006, when Suvarnabhumi opened, it closed. And in 2007, it opened again. In 2015, Don Mueang was the biggest low-cost carrier airport in the world. So this is a whole part about more modern day aviation. We have a nice view of the planes. Yeah, so we are on our way to Chiang Mai, and it's been over 6 months since the last time that we flew. So we are happy, and we just wanted to give an update regarding that as well. So paper-wise, until now they haven't asked us for the vaccination proofs, which we have, so that wouldn't be a problem. But so for example, this is definitely a new part, and Bill Bentley is minor group for sure. Bangkok Airport. Yeah, just notice this part here. They made it very nice. They have some models of old planes. And this, I mean, for me, I either never been to this area or it's completely renovated. I mean, the structure is definitely not new, but it looks different than what I remember. So I think they completely renovated this whole part. So we are in gate 55. I was telling Mirella, you will see we'll get the one at the end.
Ladies and gentlemen, flight FD331, FD3331 bound for Suvarnabhumi Airport is ready for boarding to gate number 51. In light of the current public health situation, we would like to seek your kind cooperation to ensure that you only utilize the seat that are not unusable while waiting for the flight. This to ensure minimum contact with all passengers.
Yeah, these halls are quite spacious, and I notice every one of them has a black canyon. So if you need to eat and drink something, it's no problem.
Please have your passport with the photograph case for ready for the next
Gate 53 is checking in already. Yeah, I noticed I have to scan something with my phone. There's like a barcode that I have to scan, so that's the only thing, as far as I know, that we have to do to get on the plane.
Thank you for your waiting, and this time we will enter by passenger Suvarnabhumi and all passenger of Asia flight FD3350 for Udon Thani is now ready for entry gate number 53. Asia, thank you.
See, they have another Black Canyon.
สวัสดีครับนี่คือบรรยากาศเพื่อนๆครั้งสุดท้ายของสายการบินไทยแอร์เอเชียในเที่ยวบินที่ FD3350 ซึ่งจะเดินทางไปยังอุดรธานีขอเรียนเชิญผู้โดยสารทุกท่านแสดงตนและผู้เข้าร่วมหมายเลข53เอเชียขอบคุณครับ Attention to attention, this is the final call for Asia flight FD3350 bound for Udon Thani is now ready for boarding through gate number 53 immediately. Asia, thank you.
We have some nice weather for flying today. It was a bit cloudy before. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the new parts in the Don Mueang Airport. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.